Oftentimes, prospective clients ask me, are they eligible for any diversion programs? And by diversion programs, I mean a program where an accused can go into, fulfill some conditions, and then have the case dismissed, at making it eligible to be expunged. And it's typically the diversion programs depend on the jurisdiction. So Miami-Dade's diversion programs may be a little bit different than Broward County's diversion programs. But in general, there's something called misdemeanor diversion program, which would be a program for, say, someone's accused of stealing a pair of socks from a Walmart. They typically would be eligible for the misdemeanor diversion program. And what they would have to do, they'd have to fulfill several conditions, and once those are fulfilled, the theft charge would be dismissed. And then there's oftentimes jurisdictions will have a felony diversion program, and eligibility for those is a little bit more stringent. They tend to exclude crimes where violence is involved. And once you get into an area of a second-degree felony, and by second-degree felony, I mean something in which an accused can go to prison for 15 years, you start running into some problems in getting into these diversion programs. So misdemeanor, generally, yes, you're getting into a diversion program, especially if it's your first offense. Felony, if it's a third-degree offense that doesn't involve violence and typically doesn't involve the selling of narcotics, you may be eligible for a diversion program. But once you get into second-degree felony and above, typically not. If you or your loved one is facing criminal charges and are wondering if you're eligible for a diversion program, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I've successfully gotten many of my clients into diversion programs. My number is 954-270-0769, and someone's always available to take your call.